and welcome to FooBar. I'm Marcia and this is my channel. I'm an AWS serverless hero and a serverless champion, and I created many courses in serverless. I'm also the host of this channel. In this channel you will learn a lot about serverless and cloud computing, and sometimes about some other software engineer practices. I have created over 150 videos related to these topics, and you can find things like, getting started with serverless just from the beginning. And you can learn things like using serverless framework and all the gotchas on how to create your applications using the serverless framework and all kind of serverless components from AWS. Also, I have a playlist on using SOM if you're not a fan of serverless framework. I also created many playlists on using different services like AppSync and Lex, and there are coming others in the future. So in this channel you can find so many things. If you want to learn more and get notified when new videos are coming out, I leave you the subscribe button in here. Is this red button. You should go and click it because there is a new video every Tuesday. So I see you in the next episode of FooBar. Ciao ciao!